Alright, what's going on YouTube? We are back with another video. Like I said, this is going to be the second video for the week. I'm giving you guys a double upload just to keep things going. Now today this is going to be a mod that I'm going to get done for my car. Now this is something I should have got done a long time ago. There was a couple times I was trying to get it done. Things just wasn't working out either with the shop, or things wasn't working out with the price that they was asking for, and I'm all about trying to go ahead and ball on a budget. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get a mod for the car. Stay tuned for that. I'm about to hop into the whip. Me and Emma, we're about to take a trip down to Napa, and then yeah, I'll show you guys as soon as we get the mod done, and I'll click on record.
Blank Beats Production.
I want y'all to go ahead and guess what y'all think I'm getting done right here. Just give y'all a quick little hint real quick. So I just dropped it off here at Audio House. They did a couple different things here. But like I said, y'all, it's a mandatory mod that needed to get done. Y'all let me know what y'all think I got done. I'm gonna be back here in a couple hours to check it out, see how it came out, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how it came out then.
2 hours later.
Alright y'all, so we are all done right now. Right now we're sitting here at the Audio House. You guys can see right down here. So pretty much what we got done with the Benz is we got the tent finally on it. Y'all can see it on the back window right here. We even threw right here on the back one. Now they did say that they're gonna go ahead and bring like some slight bubbles on it. They said that's part of the process. That should come out. They said give it at least 30 days and then double check back with them. But yeah, I went ahead and I made sure that they said that at the end of it, I get a full lifetime warranty. They said that I just got to make sure I don't do nothing weird to it, trying like tampering with it or scratching it or anything like that, and then everything will be fine. They said if I got any issues, just give them a call and they take care of it. So y'all can see right there, and I'll show you from the inside too. Take a look at this on the inside. It is a whole lot darker. I got to probably crank up my ISO like. Say hi, Bubba's. Hi. Yeah, we got Emma in here. Look at her in the style. So I got 5% tint on the back. I ain't got shit right here because I was not about to try to get no damn attention by the police. I don't fuck with the police. Don't be calling me and bugging me about nothing. I ain't trying to get my shit pulled over. But I did have to throw the tint on the back just because it made a huge difference. Having, I think, like the black leather, and I think if I close the sunroof too and put the shade in there, I think you won't even be able to see nothing in here. It'll be probably as if I did have tint on the side. And that was kind of my whole thought process on why I didn't even go ahead and get it in the first place. I think we're actually going to be okay either way. But yeah, make sure you guys throw a like on this. This is going to be a quick little video. I just want to show you guys a quick little mod that I had to get done on here. Again, I got this done here, right here at the Audio House here in Napa, California. So if you guys are in the area, make sure you guys double check them. They did a good job. I'll make sure I'll put a link to where you guys can find them in the description, just in case if you guys are interested in trying to get any tent or anything like that. As well as I'm gonna make sure at least post an update on how it is, because they said it should be a whole 30-day process. So 1 month later we're gonna do a little review on the tent, see how it's working. We'll get the whole car all washed up, and then we'll probably go and get like a little photo shoot or something just to kind of celebrate. But make sure you guys like and comment and subscribe if you guys want me to bring more mods to the channel. This is only like a few things that I've got done to the Benz. We're gonna get a whole lot more coming real soon in the future. I just gotta make sure that everything is right underneath the hood before I start putting money in to the exterior and performance and all that, because I would hate for something like that to happen and then the whole car is ruined and to put all that money into it. So that'll be one thing we make sure we get done.
Alright y'all, so I just made this part of the video. This is the next day. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys just a little bit, or tell you guys a little bit just pretty much how I got this and how you guys can go ahead and get some tint for your car, or if you guys are looking to get any type of like good deals or modifications like that, because they're always possible. There's a lot of different deals coming and going. So pretty much I got mines through an app called Groupon. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. If not, I'll put a little picture right here so you guys can take a look. Anyways, they got a bunch of different deals and other little things coming and going. Pretty much I went ahead and I was just on there randomly one day. I saw that they had for the two-door cars, they was doing window tint for only 60 bucks. So I was like, I gotta jump on this like ASAP and get this, because last time I tried to get my car tinted, two different little spots that did window tint, and both of those places they was like,
yeah, man, if you had a Honda Civic Coupe, we would have done your tint for $250, but because you got a Mercedes, we're gonna have to tax you like $350.
And I was like, bruh, I'm not paying $350 for you to put 3 pieces of fucking plastic on my car. I'm not doing it. Not happening. So I ain't fucking jump out of that tint. I had to wait the whole summertime. I had to wait until the whole winter was all done, and here we are now in February, and I finally got my windows tinted. But I just went outside this morning to take a look at it. Man, it's just looking so good. I really like the whole, I don't know, the whole all black kind of look to it. Everything's trying to come together. But yeah, pretty much I just want to make this part so that you guys know I'm not rich. I'm sure whoever you are watching this right now, you're not rich. So take advantage of little things you can do to save some money, or go ahead and get stuff a different way, because there's always a way for you to get what you want. I don't even know why I'm still talking at this point. Y'all seen the video, y'all seen the car. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new. I'm gonna be bringing a whole lot more content to the channel. We're gonna be bringing a whole lot of different stuff. Be subscribed, because you never know what I'm gonna drop, when I'm gonna drop it. I am dropping something every single week though. That's my word. I gave it to you. I gave it to put that to myself, and yeah, we're just gonna keep on doing it. Yeah, catch y'all on the next one. Peace.